In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Google Chat using your desktop. If you've been using Google Chat for a while but need a little help navigating the process of adding new contacts, you're in the right place. We'll take a few simple steps, and before you know it, you'll be able to connect with your contacts seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type Google Chat into the search bar. This will help you quickly locate the right page. Once the search results appear, click on the link that takes you directly to the Google Chat site. This link should usually be one of the first options in the list. If you're having trouble finding it, look for the familiar Google logo as a helpful guide. After accessing the Google Chat site, you'll need to log in with your Google account, assuming you're not automatically signed in. This part is crucial, as the platform connects with your Google services, ensuring you can effortlessly communicate with your contacts. Simply enter your email and password if prompted, and you'll be securely logged in. Once you're in, take a look at the interface and find the new chat icon, which is represented by a plus sign. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen near the chat list. Click on this icon to initiate the process of starting a new conversation. In the new chat window that opens, you'll see the To field at the top. This is where you'll input the recipient's information. Go ahead and type in the person's name or email address that you wish to add. As you begin typing, Google Chat helpfully provides suggestions based on your existing contacts or directories, making the process smoother and quicker. After typing out the full name or email address, take a look at the generated suggestions. Simply select the appropriate contact from this list. At this point, you'll have two options. You can either invite the person to chat if they're not already using Google Chat, or send an initial message if they're already a user. Clicking on Invite sends a direct invitation to the recipient, signaling that you wish to start communicating via Google Chat. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to add someone on Google Chat using your desktop. This approach not only helps you stay in touch, but also makes sure you're set up to collaborate effectively, whether it's for work, school, or keeping in touch with friends. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials.